Two numbers that are the same distance from 0 on a number line but lie in opposite directions are opposites. Negative 3 and 3 are the same distance from 0, so negative 3 and 3 are opposites. A number and its opposite are called additive inverses. To find the sum of a number and its opposite, you can use the inverse property of addition. Take note, property, the inverse property of addition. For every real number a, there is an additive inverse, negative a, such that a plus negative a equals negative a plus a, and that equals 0. For example, 14 plus negative 14 equals 0, and negative 14 plus 14 also equals 0. You can use opposites, remember we can call those additive inverses, to subtract real numbers. To see how, look at the number line below, which models 3 minus 5 and 3 plus negative 5. Well, we start at 3 and move 5 units to the left in both cases. 3 minus 5 is negative 2, and 3 plus negative 5, also negative 2. So we can say 3 minus 5 and 3 plus negative 5 are equivalent expressions, illustrating the rule below. Key concept, subtracting real numbers. To subtract a real number, add its opposite. So a minus b equals a plus the negative of b. For example, 3 minus 5 equals 3 plus negative 5, and that's negative 2. 3 minus negative 5 equals 3 plus 5, and that's 8. Problem 3, subtracting real numbers. What is each difference? Part A, negative 8 minus negative 13. Well, negative 8 minus negative 13 is the same as negative 8 plus 13. That's because the opposite of negative 13 is 13, so we'll add 13. Negative 8 plus 13 is 5. That's just using the rules for addition that we saw earlier. Part B, 3.5 minus 12.4. Well, the opposite of 12.4 is negative 12.4, so we add negative 12.4. 3.5 plus negative 12.4 is negative 8.9. C, 9 minus 9. Well, applying the rules carefully, the opposite of 9 is negative 9, so we can think of this as just adding negative 9. 9 plus negative 9, its additive inverse, equals 0. That's by the inverse property of addition. Your turn. Part A. What is 4.8 minus negative 8.7? Part B, a reasoning item. For what values of a and b does a minus b equal b minus a?